Okay? So, tingnan mo, pangalan pa lang, mali na kagad, mistake. Okay? So, ang requirement, corrected trial balance. So, ganito lang gagawin natin. Given yung trial balance provided by the entity. So, ito yung debit, ito yung credit, and clearly, may mali dyan kasi hindi equal eh. Yung debits and credits. Okay? So, considering the additional info, okay, let's prepare corrected trial balance. So, ang gawin natin, ilagay natin yung correct amount o kaya, okay, kung na-misplace siya, kung saan siya correct na column, debit ba or credit. Okay? So, in relation to cash, no adjustments noted. So, tama yung cash, debit. Okay. So, the trial balance of the entity shown below, ay dito pala, sa right side. Yan. Okay? So, does not balance. Hindi daw balance eh. Tama nga, hindi balance ito. Now, your review of the ledger reveals the following. So, A to E, yung mga noted errors. Okay? So, isa-isay natin ha. Tapos, tingnan natin kung may related information. So, walang problem on cash. Accounts receivable, may binanggit dito sa letter C. Yan, common error to. Transposition. Okay? A transposition error made in accounts receivable. The correct balances for AR and service revenue, dun muna tayo sa AR, okay? 2,750. Ayun. Na-interchange yung 5 and 7. So, dapat 750. Naging 570. So, lagay lang natin dito yung tamang amount. Palitan natin to. It should be 2,750. So, nagkaroon ng transposition error. Usually, pag transposition error, madetect yan pag divisible by 9. So, transposition error. Okay, next. Prepaid insurance. May binanggit dito sa letter B. Yan, sa letter B. Okay, debit footings in prepaid insurance, accounts payable, and property tax expense were understated by 100. So, ibig sabihin, nung kinuha yung total debits, okay, na understate by 100. Paano ba kinukuha yung balance ng prepaid insurance? Debits minus credits, ending. Kung kulang yung debits, understated yung 700. Under by 100. So, plus 100. Okay? It should be 800. Yan. So, plus 100. Okay. Equipment na ligaw. Hindi dapat sa credit yan. Asset yan eh. So, remove from credit, transfer to debit. Misplacement lang. Na-misplaced lang. Okay. Dapat credit, debit eh. So, napunta sa credit. Yan. So, wrong column ang nangyari. Accounts payable. As noted earlier, kasama siya sa letter B. Kasama siya doon sa na-understate yung footings, yung debit footings. Kaya lang, payable eh. So, paano kino-compute yung ending? Credits minus debits. Kulang daw yung debits. So, overstated itong accounts payable. So, kulang yung na-deduct eh. So, credits minus debits, under yung debits. So, overstated ito. Minus 100. Okay, kulang ng 100 yung debit. So, minus 100. It should be 44. Property tax payable, liability, naligaw. So, remove from debit. Hindi siya dapat debit. Lipat natin dito sa credit. Mistake capital. May binanggit dito sa letter E tungkol dyan sa capital na yan. A 1,500 cash drawing by the owner was debited to mistake capital. So, yung drawing, ang nangyari, nag-debit ng capital, credit cash. Okay? Now, eventually, yung drawing, kino-close naman talaga yan sa capital. Kaya lang, preliminary trial balance pa lang ito. Hindi pa naman ito post-closing eh. So, sa preliminary or unadjusted, naka-reflect pa doon yung drawing account. Okay? So, kaya ang gawin natin, ibalik natin sa capital yan. So, 11,2 plus 1,5. So, yung capital should be 12,7. Tapos, magke-create tayo ng drawing account. So, mistake drawing. Yan. So, ilalagay natin sa debit column. Kasi preliminary pa ito. So, eventually, tama yan. Kino-close talaga sa capital yan. Kaya lang, preliminary to, ipakita natin as drawing. Yan. So, kaya balik natin sa capital. Then, lagay natin as debit, mistake drawing. Okay. Service revenue, naligaw, napunta ng debit. Remove from debit, transfer to credit. And may isa pang error dyan. Bukod sa mali na yung column, nagkaroon pa ng transposition error. Okay, so ito yon sa letter C din. Dapat 6690, naging 6960. So yung correct amount, 6690. Transposition error. Okay, salaries expense, no additional info. So properly, okay, included in the trial balance. Advertising, may binanggit dito sa letter D. A debit posting to advertising expense 300 omitted. Kulang yung advertising expense ng 300. So plus 300. Plus 300, it should be 14. Okay. And then yung property tax expense naligaw napunta sa credit. Okay? So lahat daw ito normal balances except yan, each account had a normal balance. So kaya kung expense yan, nakita mo sa credit, okay, na mali yan. Kasi normal, lahat daw may normal balances. So maling placement lang yan. So remove from credit, transfer to debit. Kaya lang, okay, kasama yan doon sa kulang yung footings. Kulang ng 100. So 800, understated yan ng 100. So, plus 100. It should be 900. Okay. Tama naman Talagang mistake company ito. Dalawa lang ang tinama. Yung cash at salaries expense. Okay. The rest, mali na. Okay. So, as adjusted, total debits. Don't forget yung 1.5 kasama siya sa debits. So, it should be total credits. Yan, balance sila. Okay, so number 7, okay, answer letter A. So this one. Okay. Yan, so after preparing, okay, the preliminary trial balance or unadjusted trial balance, gagawa na ng adjusting entries. Okay, number